Okay, friends, welcome for second semester and first lecture of this semester, that is IQM, Industrial and Quality Management. So our subject code is ME422. Okay, so friends, I am SM Khomne. So everybody knows me. Last time we deals with entrepreneurship development. I hope you enjoyed last semester also, and this semester also you will enjoy IQM subject. Same theoretical subject is there. So let us start A part. So friends, our subject name is industrial and quality management. So industrial management is one aspect in this particular course, and quality management is one aspect. Okay, so subject code is ME422. So at the beginning, I want to show you timetable, as this is the first lecture. Okay, I hope it is visible to everybody. Every morning 9 to 12 there will be practicals, 9 to 11 practicals of respective subject, and 11 to 12 project, and this part is offline 9 to 12. I think everybody received this timetable, and 1:30 to 5:40 5:45 will be online mode. Four lectures will be there, that is 1:30 to 2:30, 2:30 to 3:30, 3:30 to 3:45 will be break, 3:45 to 4:45 another lecture, third lecture, and last lecture 4:45 to 5:45 it is online. Okay, so this is about timetable. For your information, this is B division, so roll numbers are like previous semester only. Just see your roll numbers at the end of lecture. You people have to put roll number in chat box. So I hope it is visible to everybody. B1 batch, you can see your roll numbers. B2 batch, you can see your roll numbers. Almost like previous semester only. There is no change yet, but if it is made, then it will be converted to you people. B3 batch, you can see your roll number, same. If anybody forgotten, then you can see your roll number here. And a last number batch, B4. Okay. So this will be teaching plan for this semester. We need almost 40 lectures to complete this particular syllabus. This is for me, I have planned already. So next, once again, I want to introduce myself. We people have not seen to each other. Still, I want to introduce at the beginning itself, so that whenever you will come here, you can identify me. So friends, I am SM Khomne. I have completed my BE, ME, and currently I am pursuing PhD. I have around 9.5 years of experience in Sweri. I have joined in 2011 till today. 9.5 years experience is there. I have taught computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing subject, that is CAD/CAM, entrepreneurship development, finite element method, CAD/CAM CAE, machine drawing, industrial and quality management, machine drawing, and computer graphics. So these many subjects I have taught till today. I have used these many softwares: AutoCAD, CATIA V5, R 2014, ANSYS, COMSOL. Till today, I have 6 publication, international publications on my name, and I have filed 2 patents till today. Let us revise our vision of institute and mission of institute within 1 minute. Vision, I will read here, just you listen. Vision of institute to be recognized among the best institutes in India for excellence in technical education. Department vision to be nationally recognized for excellence in education geared with research in the field of mechanical engineering. Mission of institute to impart value-added technical education through ambience of academic excellence, research and life skill by inculcating personal touch and respect in relationship amongst the stakeholders. Department mission to impart value-added education by creating ambience of academic excellence and research along with participation in product development by inculcating personal touch and mutual respect. This is a department mission. So now let us move to our actual syllabus, which you are going to learn in this particular semester. This subject has a total 4 unit in first section and 4 units in second section. So like that we have total 8 units. Unit 1 name is Introduction to Management. It needs 5 hours to complete. So first bit is nature and purpose of management. So here we are going to discuss what is management actually and why it is required, or importance of management, purpose of management we are going to discuss in first bit. And as soon as you understood this nature and purpose, you will become much more interested to learn further things. Next bit is their system approach to management, functions of managers, right? So you people are going to become managers in future. So what are the exact functions of manager which managers are performing in the industries? Then social responsibilities and ethics in managing. Actually social responsibilities are there, so many in management, and ethics is also there, so that we have to discuss. Then next part in this particular unit is planning. So we are going to discuss what is meaning of planning, what are the types of plans, steps in planning, right? So various steps are there. Even we plan the simple function at home, we are having different steps in that, right? Planning processes, then decision making. So like that content we are going to discuss in unit number 1, Introduction to Management. Second unit, organizing and staffing. Can you see this screen clearly on your mobile? Content is visible. Okay, thank you everybody. Okay, everything is visible. You can keep your mobile horizontal, so in landscape mode, so it will be visible and your screen will get enlarged. Okay, next unit number 2, organizing and staffing. So it needs 6 hours to complete. So this unit is also having 2 parts. First one is a organizing and second one is staffing. So in organizing, we are going to discuss nature and purpose of organizing, organization structure. Organization structure means like worker, then labor, you can say like engineer, assistant manager, general manager, CEO, like that structure is there in every organization, that structure. Then span and levels. So how many hierarchies are there, that we are going to discuss with the help of span and levels in industry. Then departmentation. What is exactly meaning of departmentation? Then authority delegation. What is meaning of authority delegation? That we have to discuss. Delegation itself is telling passing the authority, right? Giving rights to people, to your subordinates, especially in the organization. That delegation we are going to discuss. Decentralization. So sometimes delegation, decentralizations look same, but we are going to see the difference between delegation and decentralization. So this is about organizing. Then this unit is having another part, that is staffing. So staffing includes definitions, what is the meaning of staffing, then HR management, selection process in industry, training and development, and performance appraisal, right? For increment purpose in the industry, performance appraisal is very important, that we have seen in entrepreneurship development also. So that we have to discuss here. Getting, this is unit number 2. Then next, unit number 3, leading and controlling. There are 6 hours required to complete this particular unit. So it is also having 2 sections. Leading is one part in this unit, and second one is a leadership. So let us discuss in leading. There are a few bits like human factors in managing, motivation, and different theories we are going to discuss, like carrots and stick theory. And another theory is there, that is a Maslow's theory. So 2 theories we are going to discuss in this particular unit related to leading. For leading, these theories are important in an industry. Then second part in this particular unit, that is leadership. So we have to discuss concept, styles of leadership, communication, various types of communication, like oral communication, written communication, non-verbal communication, right? So we know types of communication, but in industry it is required. It is having certain significances that we have to discuss under this particular bit. Then controlling is another part, that is process of controlling and control techniques. You need to control the your subordinates, your manpower, right? So there are certain techniques to control it that we have to discuss. This is about the unit number 3. Unit number 4, name is Introduction to Basic Departments in Industrial Organization. So every organization has departments, right? So we have to discuss that departments. Departments like production department, operation department, the operation management department, then marketing management department, financial management department, and their roles, nature, and function of all the departments we have to see in the particular unit. And it needs 3 hours to complete, right? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and section number 1, right? So this much part is there for section number 1. Then next syllabus is for second number second, quality management. It is also having 4 units. So this section is related to quality management, and earlier section was related to industrial management, right? So as at the beginning I have told, this subject is having 2 parts. First one is industrial management, what is its meaning, and quality management, what is its meaning. Okay, so quality management is also having 4 units. First unit, that is introduction to quality. So it needs 3 hours to complete. So here in this unit we are going to discuss definition of qualities, what exactly meaning of quality, right? How to define quality, that we are going to discuss. Various elements of quality we are going to discuss. Then specification of quality also we are going to discuss in this unit. Then factors affecting quality of design and quality of conformance. What exactly meaning of the factors, quality of design and quality of conformance, right? So it's different also, difference also we have to see. Then next one is that quality control. What is exactly meaning of quality control? You are controlling the quality means what exactly? And another one is that how to what is the meaning of quality costs, right? So what exactly meaning of quality control and cost, that we have to discuss. So this is even though it is an introduction to quality, but detailed discussion is here in this particular unit related to quality, right? So sometimes we are not able to define quality, right? Quality means sometimes we generally define people like excellence, right? Something is having excellence, that is quality, right? But beyond that, some discussion is there that is included here in unit number 5. Next one is unit number 6, total quality management. So TQM generally we call it as, and it needs 7 hours to complete. So it is having certain bits like quality gurus. There are certain quality gurus in this management process that we are going to discuss. Then customer satisfaction, what exactly its meaning? Customer satisfaction is very important aspect in market, right? And when customer is getting satisfied, when you will give quality to that person, obviously with less or cheaper rate. Then next one is that continuous process improvement. What exactly its meaning, right? In industry, people are always working on improvement in quality, so they call it as a continuous improvement process. Then employee involvement, right? Employee involvement is very important in a organization's growth, so its importance we are going to discuss. Then supplier partnership, you need supplier partnership, right? Because they are giving raw material or sub assemblies or some components to you, so it is also important that we are going to discuss what exactly meaning of supplier partnership. Tools of quality control, actually for quality control tools are required. I think in metrology you have seen various quality control tools to check, right? So this tool we are not going to see here. These tools are something different, right? So physical tools already, vernier caliper or a CMM, right? Micrometer, digital micrometer, like that devices you have seen, especially for measurement purpose, right? So here these tools are something different, like check sheets. Check sheet is also important for quality control, that we are going to discuss what exactly meaning of check sheet. Various graphs are required, that graphs we are going to discuss. One more analysis we are going to learn, that is a Parrot analysis. Its detailed explanation we are going to discuss why or how Parrot analysis is helpful in quality control. Then cause and effect diagram, very famous diagram, cause and effect. Then scatter diagram is also important for quality control, so that also we are going to discuss what is exactly scatter diagram, how to draw it. Then various control charts we are going to see in this particular TQM. This is about unit number 7, and it need more time to cover the syllabus. Around 7 hours are required to complete this particular unit, as it is having so many tools and so many sheets, graphs, charts, right? So it needs around almost 7 hours to complete. Then unit number 7, statistical process control, SPC. So introduction of SPC, and then control charts for variables and attributes. So what are the variable, what are the attributes that we are going to discuss here. Then interpretation and applications of various charts. Actually control chart is something different, and specific charts are there. Interpretation charts like X chart is there, R chart is there, P chart and C chart. So these are also so tools for you. So very interesting charts are there, which people need at quality control department. The next one is that process capabilities. Or what is exactly meaning of process capabilities, that we are going to discuss. Then acceptance sampling, sampling plans, types of signals, and single and double plans, sampling plans. Then operating characteristics of curve. Then producer and consumer risk. Some numerical things are there. Actually these concepts we have to learn with the help of some numericals, especially from acceptance sampling to this producer and consumer risk. We have to see these numerical aspects, and some numericals are there in this particular unit. It needs 4 or 5 hours to complete. And last unit is there, introduction to various techniques and tools, obviously related to quality control. So it need 5 hours to complete. First bit is the introduction to benchmarking. What is exactly meaning of benchmarking, that we have to discuss. Then quality management system, then environmental management system, quality function deployment, Six Sigma. What exactly meaning of Six Sigma? Its theory we have to see. Then FMEA, it's failure made failure mode and effect analysis. So it is a very interesting thing to learn what exactly this kind of analysis that we have to discuss here. Total productive maintenance and quality engineering. So etc. bits we are going to discuss. So friends, most of the points are unknown to you, right? So here, but if you see in a concluding remarks about syllabus, like first section, if you observe, like it is related to management of man, machine, and you can say like money also there, right? So it is related to management of man, machine, money. Then if you see the second section, here all things are related to quality control, related to quality, right? So in industry, we heard like somebody is working at quality department. Huge scope is there for quality department, but people neglect that particular department. But if you learn this particular quality section, you will understand various aspects, various numerical, theoretical part. So you will become interested in a industry. So this is required in industry at quality control department. Okay, so this much syllabus is there. Very one unit is having very less syllabus, but sub bits are there. Okay, I hope you at least got what syllabus we are going to learn. Okay, can you hear me clearly? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, okay, Rahul, thank you. So I hope everybody is listening to me. Friends, very important thing I am going to teach to you or say to you people, that is important books. Friends, even you join the industry, there you need certain books, right? So these are the very industrial oriented books. So please listen carefully. In library, all books are available. Whenever you will visit college, please collect these books for your preparation and for examination, because this semester there may be a written exam also, we don't know, right? So you need book for reference and extra explanation. So first book, textbook is there, Essentials of Management. I hope you will note down the names of this book, and you will borrow from our library. Essentials of Management. Then second book is there, Principles of Management and Administration. Then Statistical Quality Control, and fourth one is a Total Quality Management. Four books are there, textbooks, very nice books. Especially, I recommend to use this Essentials of Management for section number 1 only, because this book includes management related aspects, and our section 1 is also related to management, especially industrial management. So for unit number or section number 1, you can refer Essentials of Management, very good book. And for second section, you can use Statistical Quality Control and Total Quality Management, because both books are very nice. And both books means two books you need to refer for quality control. And in that also, I recommend to use Statistical Quality Control. So you will get almost all the things in this particular book. Okay. Reference book is also there, Principles of Management. It is also good. If you want to refer, you can go for. But friends, for exam point of view, if you want to prepare, I am also referring these books. So please refer Essentials of Management for section number 1, and book number 3 and book number 4 you can use for the second section. I hope you have noted these names. Please note it. Later on you will forget. Have you noted? Please note books name. so that you can borrow from library. Okay, so this is about syllabus and books required for you people. Okay, so shall we proceed for next thing, that is title of course or subject. In detail explanation we'll have here about title of course. Everybody's getting me properly? Okay, Bhushan, thank you. Friends, our title of this particular course is Industrial and Quality Management. So friends, generally people think like industry madle quality management. Yes, it is there, but industrial management is also one aspect. So this subject name is combined like industrial and quality management. So friends, industrial management is one thing and quality management is one thing in this particular course. So let us discuss what exactly meaning of industrial management. In syllabus I have told in very short, but friends, let us understand industrial management. Friends, it is a branch of engineering. Underline this particular thing. Industrial management is a branch of engineering that deals with the creation and management of system that integrates people, material, energy in a productive way. So underline this: people, material and energy. Here you can say man, material, machine in short also. And another underline you can make like productive way. Man power is there, material is there, machines are there. If you are not able to make or if you are not able to use in productive way, then that will not be a management. So that's why a productive way word is added here. Getting? So friends, once again understand the meaning of industrial management. Friends, it is a branch of engineering. Like some of the IITs offering this industrial management MTech degree or BTech also. So it is a branch of engineering that deals with the creation and management of system that integrates what industrial management is integrating people, material and energy in a productive way. Getting? So here people you can say like man, material and machine. Okay, if you are integrating these three things in a productive way, then you can say you are doing industrial management. And if you are not uh, you can say integrating in a productive way, then it is not industrial management. I hope you understood, friends. Once again, you can go through this definition, because once you understand this meaning, then you will understand what exactly you have to do as an industrial management engineer, right? So you have to follow this role in industry. It is a branch of engineering that deals with creation and management of the system that integrates people, material and energy in a productive way. Or another word also you can use: people mean people, man, material and energy. Instead of energy you can say machinery, machine. So triple M you can say: people, material, energy, or you can use word man, material, machine. Getting? So in industrial management, these three things are very important to integrate, because without integration of these three things you cannot produce any product. Getting? And you have to work as a industrial manager there, and you have to manage these three things by integrating. I hope you understood the meaning of this industrial management. Yes, everybody? Yes, are you getting what I am telling to you? Good. Sachin, I hope everybody understood this, even though for MCQs such points are very important. Then next title, half title we have discussed like industrial management. Next half is their quality management. What is exactly meaning of quality management? Friends, quality management is the act of supervising all activities required to maintain a desired level of excellence. Here underline few things like all activities. Which all activities you need to supervise for quality? All activities, maybe you can say like purchase of good quality raw material. If you need desired level of excellence in your product, means high quality, if you need, then obviously you should have good raw material. Getting that activity you have to supervise properly, like yes, good quality material is coming or not. Then next one is that purchasing good machineries. Without good machinery, how you can claim like this is a good product I am producing? Yes, good machinery means, oh, those who are giving good finishing, working properly, right, not giving any defective product, like that. So good machinery means that you can say. Then processing that particular job properly. Processing means working on it with the help of machinery and manpower. Getting? So like that, so many activities are there in industry for getting desired level of excellence. Desired level of excellence means, you can say in short, quality. Who is desiring that particular excellence? Customer. His desire is there, that level of excellence should be high, means high quality he is expecting. Remember friend, whatever customer is expecting and you are providing, if it is happening like the customer is demanding and you are providing, so you can say like you are doing good quality management. Getting? So quality management is just the action of supervising all activities required to maintain a desired level of excellence. I hope from this you got clear idea what is exactly meaning of industrial quality management. Getting? So these definitions, remember what is exactly meaning of quality management, industrial management. I hope I cleared that two words for you people, and you got the exact title of our subject, what exactly it is having. So in first section, again I am telling, we are going to discuss industrial management. Second section, quality management. The next very important part is there, that is central idea of this course, B5. Central idea of this course. Friends, already I have told twice, thrice what exactly central idea of this course. Basic central idea, try to understand two sections, and in first section it deals with general management principles and functions of management. This section also includes a knowledge of different departments in an organization. First section deals with introduction to general management principles. In management, general management principle means like what is meaning of staffing, what is organizing, what is leading, controlling, right? So such a principles are there of management that we have to discuss in first section. And another thing is that functions of management and managers. And one more aspect is there, that is different departments in the organization. Actually, so many departments are there in an organization. So we have to discuss its function, what exactly role of that particular department, and you people will select that department as your dream department, right? So design department is there, production department is there, R&D department is there, right? So quality department is there, HR department is there. So many departments are there. So this is the central idea of this particular first section. And second section, as I have told, it is related to quality management. So this section basically focus on the concept of modern approaches towards the quality. It includes information of quality control, tools of quality control, various charts, check sheets, and graphs. So in short, if I want to say the central idea, first section deals with the industrial management aspects, and second section deals with the quality management aspect. So this is about the central idea of this particular course, that is industrial and quality management. Then friend, I want to focus more on this particular point, like basics importance of the course. Why this course is important? Why this subject is important? Friends, if I will tell to you, then definitely you will learn this. Actually, if you will do MBA, there also same thing is there. In MBA also, this subject is there, industrial and quality management. But for technical people like you, it is very, very important. Friend, it is very much essential to understand the various functions of manager, different styles of management, industrial management concept in the organization by engineering student. Reason is that you people are going to become future manager of the industry. Getting? So you people will be managers. So it should be understood by you, like what is the function of manager, right? At least basic this thing, like, and this is the important part in industrial management. Functions of manager, and that functions I have told in short, like planning, organizing, controlling, leading, right? So budgeting, like that functions, because you are going to become manager in future, and at at this stage you should know functions at least. Getting? So that's why this course is important for you as far as the first section is concerned. And another thing is that friend, quality is important aspect in the market as far as the competition is concerned, right? So which product will sustain in market? Which is having good quality, right? So that for that purpose, quality management is very, very important, and it is a continuous process. Quality improvement is, do you remember, it is a continuous process, because customer is not going to satisfy at all. Getting? So that's why you have to always improve the quality. So you need to go for the quality management. So it is important to learn this subject, that is industrial and quality management. Two aspects are there as far as the importance of this course is concerned. First thing is that, friends, you are going to become manager in the future, and it is mandatory. You may become higher level manager or lower level manager. Getting? You are not a worker, right? You have to manage. You will become a manager there. Getting? So it is important in future. Even though you will have your own enterprise, still you have to play the role as a manager there. Getting? So that's why this industrial management is important. And second thing is that why quality management is important as far as the competition is concerned, because without quality nobody will sustain in a market. This is the one thing. Getting? So this is the importance of subject. Second last part of introduction, that is objectives, course outcomes. Friends, at the end of this course, you will able to first outline the different aspects of management for the betterment of organization. Getting? After learning chapter number 1, you will able to outline different aspects of management for the betterment of organization. And what are these different aspects? Planning, controlling, budgeting, right? I have told few examples, and these aspects you will learn of management, and definitely you will outline like how many aspects are there in management, and definitely these are the useful for the organization. Then at the end of this course, you will able to illustrate the concept of organizing, staffing, leading, controlling. You will able to describe or illustrate the concept of organizing with the help of examples. What is meaning of organizing? Exactly what organizing means. What are the organizing means, and what is the role of that particular aspect. Then staffing. What is the staffing? Staffing means actually recruiting the people. HR department is doing the role, but how to do the staffing, that also you will learn. Then leading. What is the leadership? What is the meaning of leading there, right? And controlling the manpower and every aspect in the organization. So that you will illustrate. Then next one is that break down the functions of various basic departments in the organization. Break down the functions of various basic departments in the organization. Actually, every department has the different function. You people will be able to break down, means you will categorize various functions of department. HRचं काय आहे, ऑर्गनायझिंगचं काय, लीडिंग मध्ये काय, कंट्रोलिंग मध्ये काय, किंवा जे काही तुमचे डिपार्टमेंट्स असतात, डिझाईन, HR, right? So all departments and its functions you will able to categorize. Then next one is that summarize the elements of quality along with its specification. Actually, quality has various elements you will able to summarize at the end of this course. Then next, fifth number CO is at the end of this course, student will able to select different quality control tools and charts to check the quality of new product. Friends, there are so many quality control tool. You will choose appropriate tool chart for the checking of the quality. And last one is that at the end of this course, you will able to outline the aspects of ISO 9000, ISO 14000 and requirements of the ISO 9001. These are the standards, especially in quality. So you will able to outline these aspects of these particular standards. Getting? So this much outcomes are there at the end of course. You will attain it. Okay, and the last point for introduction part, that is internal continuous assessment. Friends, previous semester, I think based on CT, class test, means after at the end of every chapter there will be online examination, right, of 20 marks, and this is having more weightage for the your term work. Getting? So earlier it was there like assignment, lab book, attendance. Obviously attendance is also there this time, then triple P, oral, lab test. So let us see, but this term work policy may be the previous semester based on your class test. After every unit there will be the test and you have to write it mandatory, and you have to submit it so that you will have good marks, and you will get good term work also, and obviously attendance, right? Few people are putting roll number in chat box, so please put at the end of lecture, not whenever I will tell that time you have to put the roll number, Ram, please. Next lecture onwards I will not tell this, so that I can preserve your attendance in this recording. Okay, so this is about the introduction part of our subject. Anything you want to ask? Yes, anybody? Can you hear me? Swami Samarth, can you hear me? Okay, Rahul, have you understood what exactly we are going to learn? Okay, so from next lecture onwards, we'll start our unit number 1. Before that, anybody want to ask anything? Only introduction part we have seen today. If anybody want to contribute, answer, comment, please put in chat box or unmute. And anybody else? Swami Samarth, can you put in chat box like what is expected in industrial management? What industry is expecting in industrial management? Yes. Can you hear me, Swami Samartha? Yes, Gaurav, can you tell me? At least today I have introduced our subject. Can somebody tell me what is industrial management? What is quality management? At least you should understand because only two things I have told. Yes, anybody is writing? Yes, Swami Samarth, anybody else? Are you listening? Gaurav, what is exactly meaning of industrial management and quality management? Rishikesh, Muskan, can you elaborate? You can unmute also. If anybody want to talk, unmute and Srirang. Nobody? Okay, somebody is, Rahul is written to check the actual quality and work of that specific product. Okay. Or what is the meaning of it? To check the actual quality means quality management. Okay. Industrial management, Rahul, you understood partially. Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll elaborate next lecture also once again because certain bits are going to repeat. This is just introduction. I hope you got what we are going to learn. So next lecture we are going to discuss uh, related to unit number 1. So we are going to discuss next lecture this thing unit number 1. So we are going to discuss nature and purpose of management, system approach to management, and functions of manager. So this much part we are going to discuss next lecture. Okay, Rohan is also mentioning something. Rohan mentioned something. It is nothing but the creation and managing the industrial process, including man, material, machinery. Exactly. So you can say it is a industrial management. Very nice, Rohan. Very good. Anybody want to write something? Your view, what you understood from industrial management and quality management? If it is taking time to write, then you can unmute also. Swami Samarth, your opinion about quality control? Rohan wrote very nicely. Integrating man, material, machinery is the industrial management. Obviously in a productive way, Rohan. So it is understood thing. Okay, so if there is no doubt, no comment, no addition, then people can put the roll number in chat box. If anybody is putting double roll number for attendance from today onwards, so some people are putting number twice, thrice. So that number will not be considered for attendance. You have to put your roll number once only. Tomorrow onwards, that instruction will not be there. So if your attendance is less than that time, it will be problematic. So I can understand if you put number once, I can understand. You can leave the meeting if you have done.